Meaning of inept.
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 Inept. The term inept refers to a lack of skill or ability in performing a particular task or activity. It can also refer to a general feeling of clumsiness or ineffectiveness in one's actions. When someone is described as being inept, it suggests that they are not capable of performing the task at hand in a competent or successful manner. This can lead to frustration, mistakes, and even failure. In social situations, an inept person may struggle with communication and social cues, making it difficult for them to establish positive relationships with others.